Got Snapchat Plus so you don't have to. Now that is basically the theme for this video, and if you're here, I'll provide you with all the incremental details, everything you'd need to know about Snapchat Plus. So Snapchat Plus is a paid subscription which offers you a few perks, and this is being tested in a few regions: the United States, the United Kingdom, just to name a few. So basically this starts as low as $3.99 per month, and you could obviously activate this for a 12-month period for $40. So you're getting a small discount right there. So let's take a look at what Snapchat Plus has to offer. And as you can see beside my name, I have that exclusive badge which indicates that you are a Snapchat Plus member. So if we should tap on this option that says Snapchat Plus member since July 2nd, we would see the toggles which we could enable for various features of the Snapchat Plus update. And speaking of update, you need to ensure that your Snapchat version is at least 11.85 to actually have access to Snapchat Plus. So check if your app is updated as well. So as you can see here, we have a few perks: best friends forever, Snapchat Plus exclusive badge, story rewatch count, ghost trails, and learn more. So the best friends forever feature is a feature which would allow you to pin one of your best friends, well, two of your best friends, to the top of your chat, and this would actually add an emoji beside their name to indicate that they are indeed your best friend. Okay, and as you can see here, the Snapchat Plus exclusive badge is enabled by simply switching on the toggle, and that would add that beside your name. Now we also have the feature which is called story rewatch count. Now this is to allow users, or allow you to see how many times a person rewatched your story. Now I believe that this needs a bit of improvement because it does not indicate which viewer viewed your story more than once. So this is something that Snapchat definitely needs to work on if they're going to actually get persons to use this, because I know the story rewatch count and the ghost trails are two of the most features, or the most unique features, which the members of Snapchat are looking for. So whenever Snapchat actually updates and allow persons to see exactly who rewatched their story, that would be a steal. Now that would actually get this Snapchat Plus update to sell. Now the next option is ghost trails. Now ghost trails basically works between Snapchat Plus users, so both parties would have to be Snapchat Plus members. And what ghost trails is, it basically allows you to actually see the location which a person traveled in the past 24 hours. But something to note is that Snapchat don't update the location when the app is closed. You definitely need to be inside the Snapchat application for it to update your location. So I'm not really sure how this one will work. Maybe a person would consistently open their Snapchat application from time to time to allow the location to be updated. And if we should click on the learn more here, we could see the features in, let's say, a bit more detailed. Now, another cool feature which is offered with the Snapchat Plus is the option to customize the app icon and the theme. This is only available for iOS though. The Android version is coming soon, and I've noticed a small bug. I'm not sure if it's just with my device, but when you're viewing the Snapchat from the recent tab, you won't see an app icon for it. So maybe that's just on my end, I'm not sure. And as you can see here, they even included the option to add a friend solar system. Now this will basically let you understand which one of your friends you communicate with most, and it will automatically assign a best friend or a friend under their profile, well, when you are viewing it. So basically, these are a few perks which is offered by Snapchat Plus. Is it worth it though? What are you getting? Are you getting much for $3.99 per month? Not really. These are a few aesthetic changes because as you know, the story rewatch indicator isn't really functional. You can't really use that to do much. The ghost trails, you definitely need to constantly relaunch and be a part of Snapchat application for the person to update your location. And then what else is there? We have the exclusive badge. That is the only, well, that is an aesthetic change, so most people won't even really find that cool. So Is Snapchat Plus worth it? In my eyes, well, to me, it is not worth it because I'm not a heavy or a hardcore user of Snapchat. So to me, this would just be a waste of money. But to the hardcore users of Snapchat who would like to have their Snapchat profiles looking the best at the peak, well, yeah, this you can go for this. It's just $3.99 per month. That is not really bank breaking, but I mean, they could work on these features. They could improve on the story watch or story rewatch indicator and also the ghost trails feature. I'm not sure how they would allow that to auto update every so often. Well, until they fix a few of these things, then I would definitely say that this is a good update, a good addition to Snapchat. But for now, there isn't anything that would actually allow me to say that yes, I want to access Snapchat Plus because these features are so cool and unique. These features are just basic and there isn't much to them, but I mean, this is just a walkthrough or just my honest opinion on this update or this addition to Snapchat Plus. They are testing this in a few regions, so it will basically become available in more regions from time to time. So just look out for that. I'll keep you posted. I'll update you to whatever happens with this Snapchat Plus update. Now, I'm going to leave the question with you. Do you think Snapchat Plus is worth it? Now, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's basically my view of Snapchat Plus. To me, it is not worth it, but let me know what you think. I might be wrong. Well, it's just my opinion. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative and it got you to understand what you are expecting whenever you purchase Snapchat Plus. And you could also test the free trial, 7 days free trial, to see if there is any feature that you like. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Hacker 007 out.